Google began teasing the mid-range Pixel 4a along with the launch date, which is on August 3rd by the way. Today though, we got our first glimpse at the mid-range Pixel phone for 2021, which is the Pixel 5a. But in this video, we are solely going to be discussing about the Pixel 4a. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Google Pixel 4a comes with a 5.81-inch OLED display with a screen resolution of 1080 into 2340 pixels. Along with these, there is a Corning Gorilla Glass V5 layer to protect the screen from scratches and marks. Google Pixel 4a is based on a Qualcomm Snapdragon 730 chipset for performance. We have previously seen upper mid-range devices such as the Realme X2, Redmi K30 and the recent Samsung Galaxy A71 house the same SoC. It is provided with an octa-core processor which is composed of a 2.2 GHz dual-core Cairo 470 and a 1.8 GHz hexa-core Cairo 470 processor setup. For the graphics, it depends on Adreno 618 GPU, which works combinedly with a 6GB of RAM to support multitasking and gaming. If you guys have not subscribed to my channel yet, take a moment to smash that button with your love and support. With that being said, let me ask a question. What phone do you think was the best smartphone of July 2020? Let me know in the comment section down below. The phone will be running Android 10 along with latest Pixel OS. An official looking render was spotted on the Google website recently and it hinted a square-shaped camera module at the back with a single camera sensor and a flash. This setup might allow users to click amazing pictures with precise detail. At the front, it has an 8-megapixel front camera to click good selfies and assist video calls. There is a rear fingerprint sensor at the back of the Pixel 4a. The device gets its power from a Li-ion cell with 3080 mAh capacity. For convenience, Google Pixel 4a comes with the latest technology like fast and wireless charging. 9to5 Google claims that this phone might come at least in two color variants, the usual just black and the new barley blue. The price of the Pixel 4a is tipped to be roughly at around 22,000 for the 64GB model and Rs 26,000 for the 128GB model. The Google Pixel 4a will be released on August 3rd, according to the latest teaser Google has posted on July 30. While the teaser was pretty vague in describing what device Google would launch on Monday, we all know what it is referring to. With that being said, we have reached the end of today's video. Feel free to share your opinions down in the comment section and subscribe to my channel to get updated with my future videos. Until then, this is Sari from Let's Review signing off. Stay tuned, stay safe.